Hi, good morning, all. This is SK. I hope you all had a great week last week. Uh, Ending up in green. I did okay. Let's recap what happened on Friday. Friday was very climatic. We had a pre-market news. When the E-mini and everything dropped like crazy about the unemployment rate. Which was not very good for the market, but at the end of the day, it gives us the heads up that the interest rates might not be increased from the Fed upcoming meeting. uh, it was very climatic, as there were a few bull targets on Friday, which we thought, this was the first target about 192ish, and it poked it, stabilized here, consolidated, and again went up at the last minute. We saw this kind of a buying. So this kind of a buying was very, very climatic, and which gave us the next leg up, which gave us the pre-market gap up today. There is something very important to understand here from the hourly chart. Hourly chart, as I have been mentioning, that we are in the trading range, and if you see, we were at the bottom of the trading range, and we bounced from here, and right now we are reaching to the top of the trading range. But over here, if you see, there was a consolidation for a few days, few hours, few for quite some time. The consolidation was at 195, and the other day, on Friday, we took this 195 about 195, and or pre-market we're trading above it. We do have a lot of volume here, so there is a chance that we can go back up to 202, 203, around this area, and poke again, and then again get into a trading ranges are known for something that, as good as the bull trend will look, sorry, as long as the bull trend will look that, it's gonna get a breakout, it fails. As this bear trend was so climatic. You see here, it was like it can go 173, it can go 170. All kind of news and all kind of channels and all kind of predictions were going on, but trading range, it jumped back from here, it bounced back. So similarly, we can see about 202, 201, and again we can see a little bit down and kind of a trading range price action here. uh, Last week we finished our weekly candle, so that has a lot of meaning. Our weekly candle, we closed in bullish. It has a bull body here. So if you see here, it is a bull body, a good tail, that which shows at the end of the day we got the buyers from here. Making higher lows. Like a bull flag. So we can see this week. We can see kind of a rally up to 202, 203, and then we can see next leg down. So how would I be taking my day today? Let's go back to 5-minute chart. It's as the pre-market is strongly trading above 195ish. So I think what I'll be looking is, for first 15-20 minutes, I'll be letting the market stabilize, because there will be profit taking going on here. There are few traders who will be taking their profit in the morning after the market opens. We can see some kind of a pullback, and after that pullback, something is sure that, we're gonna see next leg up. So bullish for today. I do not want this guy to travel below 195ish. Uh, uh, 195, because it's kind of a support here right now, which was the resistance. So we had a lot of buyers pre-market in this area as well. We rallied very strongly. So pull back early morning, and then we can see next leg up, and it can be a trend day all day today as well, and kind of a trading range here and there. But overall bullish for today. But the condition is, 195 should be the support, where we should see the pullback, kind of 194, 194.50, 195ish, around this area. We should see a pullback today and then bounce back, and that should be the resistance for the day, rest of the day. So possibilities are, we will be seeing low of the day very early today, and from there we can see the trend, and catch some good money. Let's go to the monthly chart here. We ended our month right now. As of now, month is the last month was indecision month, and as a bullish, you can see making higher lows, so we will be seeing, I believe, 202. This candle can poke very soon, 202, and then we can consolidate, then we can have kind of a trading range here inside the monthly candle. And then we'll decide, like, if it closes below, or like, for now, the month should not go below 189. If it goes below 189, then again we'll be looking at the support of 186, or maybe 180 or 181. So monthly support is 189, which will be the main support for rest of the week as well, that we do not want this to go. If it go below this, that means we can see next leg down. As of now, 195 is the resistance, which has been taken out pre-market. Let's see how we trade early morning. First 15-20 minutes, no position for me. About I'll let first 30-minute candle to form, and that'll tell us a lot of things, because there are possibilities that first 30 or first hourly candle can give us a bottom of the day. And if we get bottom of the day, the stop loss can be very close, and the ratio, risk reward ratio candidate will be a, like, a great deal for us in the morning. So good luck, everybody. I hope you all do good today. So for me, once again, 5-minute chart, I will be looking for a pullback early morning. After the pullback, I'll be having my stop loss, about 195-ish, and let the trend make some money for me. Good luck. Thank you. Bye bye.